Hey, how you doing? This is Keith L. Lewis coming to you from my home here in Atlanta, Georgia. And I want to thank you for coming to this video because today's video I want to share with you and talk to you about getting more leads and for your business, or getting more leads, more eyeballs on whatever it is that you're promoting online. Yeah, it's Keith L. Lewis and I'm back. Thank you for coming to this video. So when it comes to generating leads, what you want to do when you're generating leads or doing any type of marketing is you want to first sit down and figure out, what is my ideal market? What is it that I'm trying to accomplish? What problems is my products or my service, my business, whatever it is that you're promoting, what problems is my service or business solving for my ideal client, customers, or my ideal leads that may have a actual problem that they're having? What solution does this solve the problems for your ideal clients or customers? That is what you want to be focusing on, and you want to service that market with whatever it is that your products or service solves. Okay, so we're gonna move on to number 2, and that's marketing. You probably can't see this as real. I try to put it all on the same line, but free, right? It says free versus paid. It's around 95% of people online are failing in business online or trying to make money online, and one of the reasons why is this number 2 is marketing free versus paid. Majority of the people that's failing in business online or trying to build their business online, they're failing because they're trying to build their business the free way. Everybody, all the top income earners and all the top producers and all the people at the very top that makes money, they know that paid traffic is the best way to make money. Once you build an audience, first of all, let me backtrack something for a second. I do marketing. There are all types of platforms that you can market on. You can do blogging, social media, all the social media platforms, your Facebook, Twitters, Instagram, Pinterest, all these platforms, YouTubes. I really, really focus all my stuff on video marketing with YouTube because it's a search engine. YouTube's a search engine. Number 2 is the second biggest one in the world. So I focus on YouTube. YouTube for me has been great for me. I do videos, I do paid advertising, and I do free. So what's cool about YouTube is that you can make videos and just upload them based off what people are searching. Keep doing your keyword research and find out what problem people are having, and then do your videos based off that. And then build your channel with paid ads that you can run on YouTube in front of those people that are having those problems. So number 1, you'll be solving number 1's problems with your video that you're marketing. Number 2, if you're doing videos, a lot of people they don't like to do videos. They are kind of terrified with doing videos. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So free is cool once you done built up your audience. You want to build up your audience, get a good following of people, build some subscribers. I'm talking about target. You want to build targeted people in your niche, whatever niche that you are in or that you're doing. You want to build your niche up, or your target audience of people that are into that. So if you're doing fitness, or if you're doing weight loss, or you got a cooking channel, you want to target people in that niche. So if you're a vegetarian, you want to target people that are vegans. You don't want to target people who like meat or who love meat. You build your channel doing paid ads. You build it with that, and then after you build your a nice good following, then you can start doing free videos. You could just start uploading, but you want to be consistent with doing videos on a consistent basis all the time. You want to put yourself on a schedule, right? your game plan down on how you're trying to do it. Marketing is the absolute crucial piece to generate leads online. Without marketing, you can't generate leads. So we move to number 3, which is list building. Always want to be building your list. Another cool thing about doing videos is now that you can email your list, your videos, provide value, building that know, like, and trust with people who don't know you. You got a blog, do blog posts. You could be emailing your blog posts to your list. You can be emailing tools and courses that you bought or that you've bought, and you can refer those on over to people on your list, showing how it's worked for you, just adding value, showing how it's working for other people. If you got a team, show how stuff is working for your team. Do webinars, get on some webinars. If you don't do webinars, invite them to a place where they can come to webinars. You have a motivational call in the morning times or team calls, inviting them to that, just all type of stuff. But you want to stay in front of your people that you're people that's on your list. You want to stay in front of them all the time, because it's building that know, like, and trust. So this is absolutely crucial when it comes to generating leads. When you're generating leads, list building is the ultimate goal. That's the ultimate game plan that you want to do. And these are red hot targeted people based off of the marketing that you're doing. So you definitely want to build that list. These are one of the 3 components of building your business online, and starting to have a consistent flow of leads coming in just daily. Like my phone, I just had a lead come in shooting this video, so it's crazy. And I'm gonna end this video with this last one, number 4, and that's sales. When you're doing all these 4 components, when you're solving people's problems, number 1, and then you start to market some products or services based off the problems that people are having, and you get them on your list, and you start to add value on the list, and start to build a relationship with that list, you'll start to end up making sales. Could be over, depending on how aggressive and how big you're building your list on a day-to-day basis. But traffic, this right here, traffic is the most crucial and key thing for all this to work. Without this, you'll never be able to generate leads. Number 2, marketing. And there are all types of ways, which I will cover in another video, and I'll just basically talk about traffic and marketing in another video. But right now, I just want to basically run down these key components. So thank you for watching this video. If you're on my email list, there's going to be a button somewhere on the website where you can click and go and see what it is that I'm doing. But you watching this video, you're on YouTube, just click the link in the description and check out what I'm putting together for you and a bunch of other people out there. All right. Again, it's Keith L. Lewis. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.